Alright, this is my bike check. This is the brand new 2011 Kink Curb. Kink Midtown Bars. Mission. Stem. Threadless forks. Kink Volt. Alienation back and front rim. Mission hub, mission compression hug. It's stock. It's Kink stock parts. I took off the brake cable, but it came with the stem, the white stem and white pedals. This bike is really good though. I had mission compression grips, but now I got these glow in the dark stolen money grips with stolen barring. Really nice though. They're really grippy. Got the Mission seat post clamp, Kink seat. Kink seat's really nice. And pivotal seat. Wow, without. Came stock with 25 tooth Kink sprocket. I think the gearing of it is 25.9. Not too sure. What else? That's basically it. Rate, comment, and subscribe. I really like it. I appreciate it.